Best Tile Leveling System Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular floor tile leveler sets in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of this tile leveling kit that makes it so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to use this set. The one that made our list is the Yefu Tile Leveling System. This set comes bundled with high-quality PVC tile spacers, which is suitable for tiles that are 0.1 to 0.47 inches thick and works great for both floor and wall installations. The accompanying wedges have a larger contact area, so it's easier to level your tiles. This system is really easy to use even if you're a novice, so that you can make the gap between the tiles really uniform. And this kit comes with a specially designed push-on pliers, which can be adjusted in 6 different positions, so that you can lay floor tiles neatly and evenly in no time. To check out the full specs of the Yefu Tile Leveling System and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/tilelevelset. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this leveling system. So there you have it, the Yefu Tile Leveling System. Considering its ease of use, the number of clips and wedges you get in the set, and the quality of the materials included, we feel that this leveling system is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Yefu Tile Leveling System and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/tilelevelset. Alright, thank you for watching.